always ask for something, but I don't care.
You say that every day and you always back out.
Because you always have to be right.
Because you usually don't paint floors.
They just don't usually tell us.
I usually come out here every evening alone, chill out and write.
This is one that generally works for me quite well.
Generally don't go around advertising it.
They generally look like what they are.
Oh, right, because I cook so often.
I often ask myself, who would I be without you?
I often work to music, and I notice the baby responds to it as well.
Hey, you know, sometimes you can do everything right.
Sometimes circumstances get in the way of love, and that's just the way it is.
It's just that sometimes you need to be strict.
He occasionally watches Oliver, sometimes?
Occasionally you meet a nice one.
Well, we'll vanish occasionally.
Caves in the mountain are seldom unoccupied.
Seldom the walks journey in the open under the sun.
Number one, I seldom prance.
No, I said I never cheated, and I also said I hardly ever bluffed.
No, I hardly ever stop by here.
Hardly ever talk about your dad.
She said he's always distracted and he never finishes his work.
Never even tried to kiss me.
Well, they never used it because they feared it so.